Hello! Today is National Margarita Day. I sure would like to have a margarita and be anywhere else than here in this snowstorm. If you too would like to be drinking a margarita anywhere else, let me know. And let's get a trip booked for you today. Preferably somewhere without snow.